Morning everyone, Rick, the Static Nomadic, October 7th, 2018, and guess what? I woke up to snow. It's pretty. But that also means I'm headed to Phoenix. I don't like the cold and the snow. I can do without this. I like warm weather. Well everyone, it's amazing what just a few hours south in Arizona will do. You will go from the snow to the beautiful desert. And to me it's beautiful. Not to everyone. Anyway, you know, it's like 77 degrees, light breeze. Absolutely perfect for me. Tonight's supposed to be around mid-50s. That works for me. I mean, this is a beautiful area right here. This is Tonopah, Arizona. See I-10 way down there, headed into Phoenix. That's a long ways off from where I'm at. And this is just absolutely gorgeous to me. The mountains. Just beautiful. Anyway, I'm going to hang here for a few days and just relax, chill out, get a couple of things done. Got a couple of projects to get done. And I don't know, if my ribs are up to it, I might take a ride. We'll see. Because there is a rather interesting looking area right up this hill, right there, that I would really like to know what's up there. Could be old mines. Could be something. I don't know. Maybe nothing. I've got a great campfire ring here. Somebody went to some trouble building this one. I can tell you that much. I've even got a second one here if I want to rebuild it. My sister might like this. Anyway, people, hope you have a great night. Peace out.